Welcome to our channel. This is why you need smarter security. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly, and with it, the security threats we face. The rise of cloud computing, remote work, and bring-your-own-device policies have dissolved the traditional network perimeter. Enter Conditional Access Policies, or CAPs, a vital component of modern security frameworks like Zero Trust. CAPs move beyond the old trust but verify model to never trust, always verify. This means that access to resources is never assumed but is continuously evaluated and granted based on specific conditions. Instead of granting broad network access, CAPs enable granular control over who can access what, when, and from where. By dynamically enforcing access controls based on user identity, device health, location, and other contextual factors, organizations can significantly strengthen their security posture. Conditional Access Policies, or CAPs, are essentially if-then statements that govern access to resources based on predefined conditions being met. Imagine a security guard standing at the entrance of a building, checking IDs, and granting access only to those who meet specific criteria. That's what CAPs do. But in the digital world, these policies are highly customizable, allowing organizations to tailor them to their specific security needs and risk tolerance. For example, an organization might require multi-factor authentication for users accessing sensitive data from an unfamiliar location or device. Or, they might block access entirely from devices that don't meet specific security requirements. This level of granularity empowers organizations to establish layered defenses that effectively address their unique security challenges. To understand how conditional access policies work, we need to delve into their key components. First and foremost, we have Identity and Access Management, or IAM, the foundation of any robust security system. IAM solutions provide a centralized platform for managing user identities, roles, and permissions. By accurately defining who has access to what, organizations can minimize the attack surface and reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Next, we have conditions, which are the if part of our if-then statement. Conditions are specific criteria that must be met before access is granted. These criteria can include factors such as user location, device type, network status, and even the time of day. The then part of our statement is represented by controls. Controls dictate the actions taken based on whether the defined conditions are met, ranging from granting full access to blocking access entirely. Section 4. Benefits and Best Practices. By embracing a never trust, always verify approach, organizations can significantly enhance their overall security posture. One of the most significant benefits is the reduced risk of data breaches. By enforcing strong authentication, restricting access based on context, and monitoring user behavior, CAPs make it significantly more difficult for attackers to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. Another key benefit is improved compliance. With data privacy regulations becoming increasingly stringent, organizations must demonstrate that they have adequate controls in place to protect sensitive information. To maximize the effectiveness of CAPs, organizations should adhere to best practices, starting with identifying critical assets and data that require the highest level of protection. Regularly review and update policies to ensure they remain effective as your organization's security needs evolve. Section 5. Challenges and Considerations. While conditional access policies, or CAPs, offer a powerful approach to security, their implementation is not without challenges. One common challenge is striking the right balance between security and user experience. Overly restrictive policies can frustrate users and hinder productivity. It's crucial to carefully consider the user experience when designing CAPs and to find ways to enforce security without unnecessarily disrupting workflows. Another challenge is the potential complexity of managing CAPs, especially in large organizations with diverse IT environments. Managing numerous policies across various applications and cloud services can quickly become overwhelming. To address this challenge, organizations should leverage automation tools and centralized management platforms. Stay informed about emerging threats and best practices to ensure your CAPs remain effective against evolving attack techniques. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.